How to change language in Zangi app. Are you guys facing issues to change the language in Zangi app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Zangi app on your mobile device. If you don't know how to download Zangi app on your mobile device, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. Once you open up the app, now scroll down. You can see the option for language over here. Just click on it. You'll be provided with multiple languages over here. Select it according to your preference. If you want to change it to Arabic, then click on Arabic and tap on change to Arabic. As soon as you click on it, your language will be changed. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna change our language on Zangi app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding Zangi app, then make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. See you in the next one. Bye bye.